Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, buddy. Oh, he got hooked by something else. Oh, I'm so sorry, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Did you get a hook on you? Oh, chill, chill, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Just chill, just chill, just chill, just chill. I just hooked onto a bird.
What's that?
I just hooked onto a little bird.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, got something?
Yeah, skunk's off, I guess. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Chill, chill, chill. Just 1 second. Just, you're almost out. You're almost out, buddy. Chill, 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 chill. Nope, no, nope, nope. You want to get this out. Trust me. Trust me. I want to get this out. There we go. You all good? You got everything off you? Good. Alright, say hi to the camera. Say goodbye. Wow, so that guy had a lot of stuff hooked on him. Wow, look at all that. Jeez, yeah, so all this stuff was attached to that poor bird right there. So the string was hooked around his wing. And then my my lure hook got caught in the string here, or in the line. Pretty crazy. Yeah, someone's trolling rig right here. Yeah, I was able to cut the line. It was probably a good thing, yeah, I actually got him, because he probably would have carried that with him for the rest of his life.
Yeah.
It was wrapped around his wing.
Asking for help, huh?
I guess so, yeah. Alright, everyone, just got my first big Almanor trout. No! No!